Some people see themselves as wealthy because they travel around the world and live in fancy homes. Others believe they're wealthy when they're able to pay their bills on time. From a financial perspective, your wealth refers to the total value of your assets less the total amount of your debt. In a desire to get more assets quickly, a lot of people move from crypto coins to day trading to flipping penny stocks. Even though these schemes promise easy wealth, it's all fun and games until it all goes up in smoke. Instead, follow these 7 simple steps we're going to share with you in this video to get started building sustainable wealth. Step number 1, start with a goal. If you want to build wealth, you have to start with a goal. And no, I'm not talking about wishing for $1 million to fall from the sky or winning the lottery. No, you must focus on something more practical. How will you know if you're successful or not with no goal? First, assign a number to the goal. What's the amount that will allow you to live the life of your dreams? Maybe it's owning a retirement cabin, a dream home, or traveling around the world. Only you can determine what really matters to you. Whatever it may be, make sure it's a real, tangible goal that ignites that fire within you. Next, write down your short-term, mid-term, and long-term financial goals to get to that ultimate number. Make sure your goals are realistic, achievable, and trackable. We don't want you to feel discouraged by setting impossible targets, so set yourself up for success. Now, take a good look at your income and expenses. See what's coming in and what's going out every month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Now, keep an ongoing record of your progress. Remember, life throws curveballs, so your goals might need some adjustments along the way, and that's okay. We'll always suggest that you review your goals yearly so that you can make adjustments as needed. That's how goals work, and that's the first step to building wealth. Step number 2, manage debt and credit. If you find yourself carrying a balance month after month, you're definitely not alone. The average American has over $90,000 in debt, according to Experian research. Managing debt, big or small, is the second step to building wealth. Constantly living in a pile of bad debt, such as those high-interest credit card bills, haunts your chances of building substantial wealth. So you might want to take action and protect your financial goals. This is where having a solid repayment plan becomes important, with the ultimate aim of building wealth. The first thing you have to do to manage your debt and credit is get real with them. You have to know your numbers. Make a list of what you owe, whether it's student loans, credit card balances, or that one loan you took out to finance your I don't regret it spontaneous trip to Europe. Write down the numbers and let's create a plan. The best plan for managing your debt is to look at your budget. See where you can trim some expenses and allocate extra funds to pay off those debts. And if you're not sure where to start, consider using popular strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods. See our other video on the avalanche versus snowball methods to understand how these strategies work. These techniques can help you tackle your debt strategically, giving you a roadmap to financial success. As your balances start to decrease, you'll have more funds available to allocate towards emergency savings and investments, which unlocks a new level of financial freedom and stability. Step number 3, understand assets and compounding. Assets are the building blocks of your wealth. They can be stocks, real estate, or even a flourishing business. These assets have the potential to work tirelessly to grow your wealth and provide opportunities for a brighter future. When you invest wisely, the returns they generate can be reinvested, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. And this is what compounding interest does. With compounding, your money has the potential to multiply over time. Imagine planting a tiny seed in your backyard. Over time, it grows into a majestic tree, providing shade, beauty, and even fruits. That's the power of compounding. It takes patience and consistency, but the results can be truly remarkable. All you have to do is keep a close eye on your investments, diversify wisely, and stay aware of market movements. This way, you can make informed decisions to optimize your wealth-building efforts. Step number 4, network and build relationships. Understand that building wealth isn't just about crunching numbers and analyzing charts. It's also about forging connections with people. Networking and building relationships are the 4th step to building wealth. Do you really want to build wealth? Then go to that conference and surround yourself with like-minded people who are just as hungry for success as you are. Strike up conversations, exchange ideas, and who knows, you might stumble upon a potential business idea, partner, or mentor. Attending conferences and joining communities related to your field of interest can be a goldmine of opportunities. It's like stepping into a room filled with potential collaborations, valuable insights, and who knows, maybe even a sprinkle of luck. So, dust off your business cards, practice your firm handshake, and dive headfirst into networking. Building relationships is all about creating genuine connections. It's not simply about swapping business cards or building a network on LinkedIn. Take the time to listen, understand, and support others in their journeys. Genuine relationships can become powerful cooperatives that open doors to new ventures, partnerships, and unforeseen possibilities. Remember, wealth isn't just about numbers on a balance sheet. It's about the opportunities and doors that open up when you surround yourself with a network of inspiring people. So get out there, attend industry events, engage in online communities, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Who knows, your next big breakthrough or collaboration might be just one handshake or virtual chat away. Step number 5, understand wealth isn't quick. One of the most important things you have to understand is that building wealth isn't an overnight phenomenon. I know, it would be amazing if we could all wake up one day and find a money-making machine in our homes. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. Building wealth takes time and commitment. Patience is key. Building wealth requires consistent effort, smart financial choices, and the willingness to play the long game. You have to stay focused on your goals and keep your eyes on the prize. It's easy to get distracted by shiny objects or the allure of quick riches. But remember, those get-rich-quick schemes are often just that, schemes. Stay grounded in reality and focus on the tried and true methods of wealth building, such as investing wisely, saving diligently, and making informed financial decisions. And don't forget about the power of compound interest, as we mentioned earlier. It starts small, but as it gains momentum, it becomes a force to be reckoned with. So be patient and watch it grow into something remarkable. Step number 6, be disciplined. Discipline is an indispensable part of building anything worthwhile. Ask anyone who has lost substantial weight or built a business from the ground up. When it comes to building wealth, discipline is what you need to save, invest, and make smarter financial decisions, without which wealth would most likely be an illusion. You need discipline to resist the temptations of impulsive purchases. It helps you to make conscious choices that align with your priorities. You need discipline to make a budget and stick to it. Automate your savings and consistently invest in assets that will grow your wealth over time. Sure, it might be tempting to splurge on the latest tech gadget or indulge in lavish vacations, but by practicing discipline, you make choices that set you up for a brighter financial future. Step number 7, give back. The final step to building wealth is looking back when you get to where you're going. The secret to adding depth to your wealth is spreading kindness and generosity. You don't want to miss the joy and fulfillment that comes from giving back. Giving back is not just about the impact you have on others, it's about the profound effect it has on your own well-being. Giving back creates a ripple effect that comes right back to our lives. And you don't need to have made it big before you give back. No matter where you are in your wealth journey, I'm sure someone is below you. Why not extend a helping hand or kind word? And guess what? Giving back doesn't have to be a grand, elaborate gesture. Small acts of kindness can have a big impact. It could be as simple as buying a coffee for a stranger, volunteering at a local charity event, or mentoring someone who could benefit from your knowledge and experience. These things add a layer of richness to your life that no amount of material wealth can match. Now go out there and make your wealth-building dreams a reality. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.